Karens are notorious for stirring up trouble, some more aggressively than others, and when those individuals push it too far, they often find themselves learning a tough lesson. Today, we've got time dedicated to these Karens who found themselves in a courtroom drama. So, without any more preamble, let's delve right into it. Case 1. On July 25, 2015, Joe Torres and Kayla Norton, a couple from Georgia, participated in a convoy of trucks adorned with large Confederate flags, driving around Douglas County. In a disturbing incident, this group, including Torres and Norton, drove past a black family's birthday party, allegedly yelling racial slurs. The group parked their trucks near the home, reportedly threatening the attendees using racial slurs, and some members were even armed with a knife and a tire tool, a clear display of intimidation that didn't end there.
He's the one had to go. He's the one had to go.
They're pulling rifles out on us. 5 trucks of white guys with rebel flags.
Indeed, they were brandishing firearms as well. As per the district attorney, Torres claimed he carried the shotgun out of concern for his friend's safety. A curious justification, wouldn't you say?
That is not me. That is not me. That's not him. I would never walk up to you and say those words to you, and I'm so sorry that happened to you. You stayed, and you stayed and affected my life, and it affected my children's lives.
In court, despite showing no remorse for their actions, the couple was visibly emotional as their sentences were handed down. Joe Torres received a 20-year sentence with 13 to be served in prison, following his conviction on several charges, including aggravated assault and terrorist threats. Kayla Norton received a 15-year sentence with 6 in prison for similar charges. Case 2. Next, we have a Karen who owns a restaurant and flagrantly disregarded COVID-19 safe guidelines and food laws. Even after multiple warnings and court orders, this defiance quickly landed her in hot water.
Ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to provide will be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury?
I would like to call.
Ma'am, stop. I know you want to control this room, but this isn't Burger King. When the sign changes to Burger King, you can have it your way. Right now, this is my courtroom, and you will answer my questions. Stop. Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury? Yes or no? Are you going to tell the truth? All right, I'll take that as silence. I understand her attorney is on here. Where is her attorney?
Mr. J. Becker.
Again, say anything again without telling me you're going to tell the truth, and I will hold you in contempt of court for 93 days. Contempt carries with it 93 days and or $7,500. You will not act disrespectful in this court. Do you understand, ma'am? You certainly may remain silent.
Karen Hill received a hefty fine of $7,500 and a 93-day jail sentence for contempt of court. Case 3. In a surprising twist, we head to Clark County Court, Las Vegas, Nevada, where Monica Contreras, a young mother, is in court over a restraining order filed by her ex-spouse. In an unusual move, courtroom marshal Ron Fox conducts a drug search on Monica, leaving her child with Judge Patricia Donninger. Monica returns, expressing unease over the drug search.
He said, can I just have you pull up your shirt and show me that there's no drugs in there? I said, well, I really don't trust. It's not a good idea. I think I'd rather have to. I'm just offended that he asked me to do that.
Okay, so the story stands, handcuff her.
Why
You bring
would I
her
be
in.
handcuffed? Why would I be arrested?
In Clarks County context, fabricating accusations against a police officer isn't a crime. Yet, Marshal Fox seems consumed by a power trip, a decision he's about to regret. Amidst the escalating situation, the judge, surprisingly dismissive, asks for the child to be removed from the courtroom without any further inquiry into the allegations.
Can we do something with a little
arrested.
If you could call up Child Haven for me.
In mere minutes, a standard court hearing turns into an arrest, with Contreras' daughter taken away, leaving her utterly perplexed. Contreras then turns her focus towards the judge.
How could you do this to me? How could you what? How could you what?
Contreras was taken to jail, charged with providing false information to a police officer and disturbing the peace. Her daughter was placed in special services until her father could collect her. However, this tale takes a turn. Within 2 months, Contreras filed a complaint against Marshall Fox, alleging that he groped her during the drug search. Clark County Internal Affairs validated her claims, leading to a $200,000 court settlement for Contreras. Marshall Fox was promptly fired. His colleague later relieved of duties, and Judge Donninger left her position 2 years later when the incident became public. Finally, some semblance of justice was seen. Case 4. You may recall the 2021 incident involving Soho Karen and her misplaced iPhone. Well, we have fresh updates. In a nutshell, this Karen lost her iPhone, promptly accusing the nearest black teenager of theft, and chaos ensued.
Show me. No.
You don't have to explain nothing to her.
Take the case off. That's mine. Literally, get it back, please.
Are you kidding me? You feel like there's only one iPhone made in the world?
No. Okay, then show me the.
No,
show me
you get a life
over there. No,
what's on your
background?
You better go use find my iPhone. Go do that.
Find my iPhone is on.
Can
on now,
come in?
right
No, you can't. No,
I'm the manager of the hotel.
I don't care.
He will
this
right
is my
now.
son. No, but you're not helping.
I
What
am.
you've been is disrespectful.
No, I'm trying to settle the situation.
No, have my phone.
Listen, get your ass.
Karen's antics landed her in court, facing 4 felony charges: attempted robbery, child endangerment, attempted grand larceny, and attempted assault. Despite this, she wasn't held on bail and returned to LA from New York post-court appearance. This development comes as footage of her 2020 DUI arrest, preceding the iPhone incident, came to light.
I'm not even laughing. I'm like, I just think you guys are like a joke.
Surprisingly, not all Karens escape the law. This one in particular merits monitoring, as her list of infractions doesn't stop at the iPhone incident. Our Soho Karen was also under investigation for vandalizing her Airbnb on the same day she faced charges for the phone debacle. Case 5. Meet Donna Castle, the mother of Amanda Castle, who was on trial for drunk driving. Amid the hearing, Donna's disrespectful laughter interrupted the proceedings, leading to her own detainment by the judge. Soon after, her daughter Amanda was sentenced for DUI and homicide.
Anybody else want to go? You can go too. This is a court of law. And I understand you all are upset because your loved one is going to prison, but guess what? She's going to prison for the choices that she made. These people are here grieving, saddened, because a senseless act took away their loved one, and you all are sitting around here like it's a joke? Ma'am, you are being taken into custody for criminal contempt. Your disruptive and disrespectful behavior disrupted today's proceedings, and you, ma'am, are going to the Wayne County Jail for 93 days for direct criminal contempt. Anybody else want to go? Try it.
Quite rightly, Donna later found herself facing her own court hearing.
And a continuation of the overall pattern of behavior of disrespect, and so I held her in direct criminal contempt because it all occurred in my immediate view while court was in session, for which she's not entitled to any hearing or any representation. She can be immediately jailed for a maximum period of up to 93 days. But I decided that under the stress of the circumstances, perhaps I would give her an opportunity to be heard, so I appointed counsel for her.
Interestingly, she faced the same judge who had detained her for her courtroom laughter. The judge, quite considerately, led Donna to a completely unexpected outcome.
Is there something you'd like to say?
Yes, I deeply apologize for what I did. I was under a lot of stress. I'm going through some doctor's appointments today for my heart. It's just everything overwhelmed, and I deeply apologize for what I did in your court. I just needed to get out. And it's been very hard for me this year, and I know for the other family, and I'm so sorry for what I did, and I know it was wrong, and I apologize.
Despite her actions, prison wasn't her fate. Due to the judge's leniency, she received a 93-day sentence with parole. Case 6.
I understand. I'm just trying to do my job. That's it. I have to just make sure.
Rutgers police vehicle.
I understand that. I understand that, but I can't just let it go. It's not like I can just let it go. I have to do what's safe for my job as well.
Damage.
I understand that, but that's not up for me. I have to make sure my supervisor is aware of what's going on. I understand.
Absolutely no damage.
I know that, and I explained that to her, but she still wants to come.
Next on our list is Nancy Cantor, Rutgers' Newark Chancellor and former president of Syracuse University. She caught public attention due to her conduct during a minor car accident in March, where her car, driven by her driver, hit another vehicle.
If I miss my airplane, you folks are in trouble.
Okay.
How are you?
I'm not well. I'm being held from going to the airport. If I miss my plane,
Okay.
you folks are in trouble.
I'm sorry, who are you?
I'm the chancellor.
Okay, I don't know.
Yeah, can we get another car? She needs to
No, I don't want that.
As the Chancellor, her actions garnered unwelcome attention. This embarrassment led her to release an apology video.